Something strange just appeared above Colorado, and scientists weren't prepared for what followed next. High above the Rocky Mountains, a shimmering, spiraling light began twisting silently through the atmosphere. At first, locals thought it was a drone show or secret military tech on test flights. But the formation grew, glowing brighter, spinning faster, then vanishing completely without a single sonic boom. Within hours, astronomers scrambled to nearby observatories, comparing footage and data from every available skywatching station. The object wasn't a meteor, satellite, aircraft, or even known space junk re-entering Earth's atmosphere. Experts from NOAA cross-checked weather anomalies but found no storms capable of producing the strange spiral. And then, in archived footage, they spotted something chilling as similar spirals had been seen before. In Norway, Japan, and Alaska, identical sky spirals were recorded but never fully explained by officials. Some believe they're caused by rocket fuel dumping during classified space launches, but not everyone agrees. This time, the Colorado spiral emitted a brief pulse of electromagnetic interference over a wide radius. Nearby wildlife reacted instantly, birds scattering violently, elk stampeding as if something deeply unnatural had arrived. One eyewitness said their compass spun uncontrollably, while their phone glitched and battery drained instantly. Researchers rushed to set up sensors across Colorado's high-altitude zones, scanning for changes in radiation levels. What they found wasn't radiation, but a sudden spike in ionospheric activity, unlike anything seen before. The spiral reappeared 3 nights later, higher this time, and moving unnaturally against Earth's rotation. Radar failed to track it properly. Every second it appeared, it shifted shape like liquid metal. Military sources refused to comment. NASA simply called it a currently unexplained atmospheric phenomenon. But some independent scientists had a different theory, as something had entered our upper atmosphere intentionally. A Harvard astrophysicist connected the event to a recent uptick in unidentified aerial anomalies worldwide. Could this be a new form of space weather or a message coded in light and motion? Others think it's an undisclosed propulsion test, something harnessing plasma fields to bend atmospheric density. But skeptics remind us that the absence of evidence is not evidence of something otherworldly. Still, something about this event stirred public imagination, especially after satellite data mysteriously went missing. Cloud formations around the spiral reflected geometric patterns, as if shaped by something artificial above. Several night sky cameras malfunctioned at the exact moment the spiral intensified, leaving eerie static recordings. Then came the animal behavior reports as wolves howled out of sync and owls vanished from rural trees. A local pilot described a silent hum through his cabin as he flew beneath the anomaly. The hum, recorded on cockpit audio, resembled low-frequency vibrations similar to deep ocean sounds. Could this phenomenon be interacting with Earth's magnetic field, producing both sound and sky distortions? If so, what kind of technology could manipulate both visual light and electromagnetic resonance at once? This wasn't the first time Colorado skies held secrets, since NORAD's Cheyenne Mountain lies hidden nearby. And Colorado's high-altitude airspace has long been a hotspot for unexplained radar blips and signal blackouts. Some scientists propose that this could be Earth-based tech reflecting signals off the ionosphere to test range. But others suggest we're witnessing a kind of message, one our current tools can't yet decode. Whatever the spiral is, it forced researchers to rethink what's possible in near-Earth atmospheric physics. Even seasoned astronomers admit they've never seen a spiral last that long without dispersing or burning. And the fact that it returned, changed, higher and more erratic, raises bigger, unanswered questions. One thing's certain, this wasn't a glitch, a prank, or a weather balloon, as it was deliberate, complex, and persistent. Now, data teams across the globe are comparing notes, hoping to track the spiral's next destination. If it appears again, will it behave differently or reveal more about its strange fluid structure? The sky above Colorado just reminded us that even familiar horizons can hold unthinkable mysteries. And sometimes the most unsettling discoveries begin with a spiral no one can explain yet.